Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best 90QT storage bin with lids available on the market right now. The Rubbermaid Cleverstore 95QT clear storage bins with lids, in a 4-pack configuration. If you're on the hunt for efficient, stackable, durable storage that's made in the USA, then stay tuned for this deep dive. Let's go. First off, let's talk about the build and material quality. These bins are made with BPA-free, impact-resistant plastic. That means they're not just lightweight and durable, but they also won't crack or shatter easily under pressure. Whether you're storing seasonal decorations, bulky linens, or office supplies, these bins are engineered to hold up to repeated use, bumps, and even heavy stacking. The standout feature here is the clear design. Unlike opaque bins that force you to open every lid to find that one missing item, the Cleverstore bins offer crystal clear visibility from any angle. It's a game changer when you're trying to organize a garage, a closet, or even a commercial space. You can easily spot what's inside without pulling everything out. Now, let's talk about the lid and stacking design. Each bin comes with a snap-tight lid that latches securely on both sides. This not only keeps dust, debris, and pests out, it also allows for safe and secure stacking. The recessed lid design ensures that the bins nest perfectly on top of each other, which maximizes your vertical storage and keeps everything stable. So if you're tight on space or just like things looking neat and uniform, this detail makes a big difference. Another reason these bins stand out is the extra storage capacity. Rubbermaid designed these with straight walls instead of the typical tapered walls you find in many containers. That provides up to 14% more usable storage space compared to competitors in the same size class. Each 95QT bin measures 29 inches long by 17.75 inches wide and 13.24 inches high, giving you a deep and wide interior that holds a lot more than you'd expect. In terms of versatility, these bins are not just for the garage or attic. They're perfect for offices, dorm rooms, craft rooms, and even commercial use. People use them to store everything from sports gear and camping supplies to pantry overflow and toiletries. The latching lids keep contents secure while still being easy to open and close. And of course, we can't overlook the convenience of getting a 4-pack. That's 4 bins that you can immediately put to work, stack, store, or transport. Whether you're moving or simply doing a home overhaul, having a uniform set like this helps maintain consistency in both appearance and performance. While this product is made in the USA, it's available with delivery to countries like India, although shipping fees and import deposits apply. The price point for this 4-pack sits around $109.79 at the time of this review, which comes to about $27.45 per bin. Given the quality, capacity, and reputation of the Rubbermaid brand, that's a competitive and reasonable price, especially considering the product longevity. So, here's our final take. If you need heavy-duty, stackable, and transparent storage that's built to last, the Rubbermaid Cleverstore 95QT storage bins hit all the marks. They're smartly designed, space-efficient, and offer serious value. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed product breakdowns and comparisons. Got a storage product you'd like us to review next? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next one.